Back to Further Solutions Academy. At this point, we have over 400 videos on our channel. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice: mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Okay, just in case you want to reach us, you can make use of this line +2348034495990. You can comment below, or you make use of this line on WhatsApp. You can reach us, you can call us direct, and also you can make use of via Telegram. Now, on this video, I'll be walking you on Frustum. Frustum is a very good part of mathematics, which is under solid shape. Now, in this shape, it means we have done regular solid shape and solid shape, all what you need to know about solid shape. But this time around, this Frustum, I was waiting for it just because of what? Similar triangle. Now, at this point, I can now explain Frustum very well. Now, when we talk about Frustum, we are talking about a shape, like a cutoff of a shape. Okay, for instance, look at the buckets. Now, let me get the buckets. Now, look at this bucket. This is a very good example of Frustum. Now, this and this. There are two radius here. I mean, there are two diameters here. There are two circles, the upper circle and the lower circle. It means I will have two radii, which is radius 1 and radius 2. Now, this one will give us a small radius. This one will give us a small, big radius, which is diameter, half of the diameter. Now, this is a slant height. Now, the height of the bucket basin, which is from here to here, is the real height. Now, let me try to show one or two examples on that area. Now, with what I've said, I said that this is a shape obtained by cutting off the upper portion, because upper portion of a pyramid or a cone, That is what I mean by that. Now, when you cut off those two shapes, you have what is called Frustum. Now, for instance, a bucket, which is note, a bucket is a Frustum of a cone. Please don't forget that this bucket is a Frustum of a what? Of a cone. Take note of that very well. Now, I think with what I've explained, you should be able to understand Frustum very well. Now, let me try to make it real and show example on this regard. Now, look at this problem now. Now, I have this bucket. I have this particular shape. Now, I have this shape. Now, I have this particular shape. Okay, look at this. Now, take note of this very well. This is the small radius. Let me call my small radius 6 centimeters. Now, my big radius can be 12 centimeters. Now, take note of this. This is called slant height. Now, this is the real height I'm referring to. This is the height. Now, this is the height. Now, if my height is 12 centimeters, now calculate the height of the cone. Now, I want to calculate the height of the cone. Let me give option because it's an objective problem. I have 15 centimeter and is it 15? 12 centimeter. I have 15 centimeter. I have 18 centimeter, which is my C, and my D, I have it as 24 centimeter, and E, I have it as 30 centimeter. Now, look at this problem. It's a very simple one. You want to solve this problem, solution to this problem. Now, the first thing you need to think of, whenever you are asked to find something like this, you must think of similar triangle, which I've explained before now, which I made 3 videos on similar triangle, when you have something like this. Now, how do I apply my similar triangle? Now, applying ratio of similar triangle. Now, it means I will just have something like this. I will have something like this. It means what I'm trying to tell you is that I can increase this like this. Sorry, I have to. Okay, do you get it now? I have this like this, which is reach here. Now, this is the what I'm talking about. Here will be 12 centimeter, and here will be 6 centimeter. The lines are parallel. Now, from here to here is the 12 centimeter we are talking about, 12 centimeter, which is the height. Here to here, you don't know it. Call it X centimeter, which is the height we are talking about, the height of the cone. Now, how do I apply my similar triangle? I've told you earlier, to apply my similar triangle is that I will talk about this part. It means I'm talking about this part, which is, please make sure you watch the video on similar triangle. How do I get this part? It means I'll be having x minus 12. X minus 12, which will give you this part, because 12 is the down part, divided by everything which is x equals to 6 divided by 12. Now, at this point, it means here 1, here 2. Now, it means I'll be having x bracket of, I cross multiply. Now, it means 2 bracket of x minus 12 equals to what? X. 2x minus 24 equals to x. Now, I want to collect like signs. 2x minus x equals to 24. Now, here will be what? X equals to 24. It means the height of the cone, height of the cone is 24 centimeter. That is all. That is the height. It means from here, so here is 24 centimeter. That's what that means. That's what that means. Now, can you see? Now, before I end this part, let me try to explain 1 or 2 things on volume of Frustum. Can you see? It's very, very simple. Volume of Frustum. Now, when we talk about volume of Frustum, you should understand some things. Now, for volume of Frustum, it means my volume of Frustum. Now, the volume will be equals to 1 all over 3 pi h bracket of r squared plus big R small r plus small r squared. That is the volume of a Frustum. Now, some people make use of this, or 1 all over 3 pi h bracket of r minus r1 divided by r minus r. No, the cube is cube. Either of 2. But me, I'm more comfortable with this. more comfortable with this down one. Now look at this problem. For instance, if I have this problem to solve, I have a problem this way, I have a Frustum this way, and I have this also, and I have this also. Okay, now I have this, and I have this. Okay, now I have this as, this is my radius, which I have it, which is my small radius, 6 centimeter, and I have this of I have my big radius as 8 centimeter. Now the height is given as, sorry, this is my height. My height is given as 10 centimeter. Now calculate or find the volume. Find the volume of Frustum. Correct to the nearest whole number. Correct to nearest number, whole numbers. Okay, it means I don't need decimal. How do I go for this? What you need to do is that firstly, volume equals to 1 over 3 high h bracket of r squared plus small and big r. Now, what you need to do, my gauge is 10 centimeter. My big R is 8 centimeter. My small r is 6 centimeter. Since you have that, it means your volume is being, it will be very easy for you to solve by having 1 over 3. We all know that pi is 22 all over 7 multiplied by h is 10 bracket of 8 squared plus 8 multiplied by 6 plus 6 squared. That is what you just need to do. Now, can you cut anything for now? You don't need to cut anything. 1 all over, if I were you, I can say that 210 divided by 21 bracket of 64 plus 48 plus 36, which I'll be talking about now. The volume will be equals to add up 48 and that, which is going to be it will be 148. It will be 148. It means 2 multiplied by 148 divided by 21, which is, yes. By so doing that, can I multiply these two numbers together? It will be 32,560. 32,560 divided by 21. This is my volume. My volume will be equals to, if I should divide, it will be 155 is 0 point something 0.747 centimeter cube. Now, approximate to nearest whole number. It means my volume will be approximately equals to 155 5, yes, because 6 is not up to this centimeter cube. That is all about that. Can you see? Frustum is very, very simple. Once again, you are home with Further Solutions Academy. Thanks for watching.